this is going to be a very important day in our journey. You have heard our ministers speak. The Minister of our State has mentioned that this is not just a service upgrade, but it is a testament of our transformation, how the department has transformed into a confident service provider. Because 24 hours guaranteed delivery requires a lot of commitment, a lot of preparation, and as Honorable Minister mentioned that we have been conducting our trials from past few months, and we are fully prepared to deliver this 24 hours service. Honorable Minister also mentioned about 3 C's, which amply reflects the India Post situation today. So we are fully aligned to meet the expectation of our customers. You have heard both the ministers speak, and I don't want to repeat that, but I will restrict myself to specificity of Karnataka, Bangalore. We have got Speed Post 24/7 booking in 42 post offices across the city, and we have trained our staff, and we assured the public that you will experience the best of service across the counter and also at the time of delivery. A lot of preparation has gone into it. I request the citizens of Bangalore to avail this facility. Also to the bulk customers who post large number of articles to avail this service. As you all know, when we go to a private competitor, any customer walks into a private competitor, they have to pay a lot of money to book assured 24-hour service. India Post today is offering at a very reasonable rate. The pamphlets, I'm sure, is distributed to all of you. The handout, this pamphlet is given. You can see the rates, which are very competitive, but the service quality will be top-notch. That is one commitment India Post will be making. We are prepared for that, and as the Honorable Minister said, this service is going to be expanded in September and November. These are the timelines he has mentioned. So I once again request all of you to please bring this service to the knowledge of the customers. Please cover it in a big way, which will benefit the customers.
To serve for the citizens. ಈ ಒಂದು ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಕೊಡುವಂಥ ಈ ಒಂದು ಮೋಟೋನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಡಾಕ್ ಸೇವಾ ಜನಸೇವಾ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ಲೈನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿದಾಯಕವಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಅಂಚೆ ಇಲಾಖೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡಿದಾಗೆ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊರಿಯರ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಆದರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಸುಮಾರು ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೇನೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಪೈಲಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Few months back we did this pilot in Bangalore, and there is a lot of hard work from each and every postal staff in Bangalore, and ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತು ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿರುವಂಥವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರು ಶ್ರೀ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಸರ್. I extend my sincere thanks to my Chief Postmaster General Karnataka Circle for supporting us in every effort for Bangalore, particularly because there are a lot of customers here, not just retail customers, but also bulk customers and business customers. Thank you very much, sir, for your leadership in Karnataka. And for this 24 speed and 48 speed, we wanted a software, and CPT is always there with us. I thank GM CPT and Director CPT and the entire CPT team who did the testing. And ಇವತ್ತು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಲೈವ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್. ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ 6 ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಸಿಟೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬುಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ದೃಶ್ಯನ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. GPL ಕೂಡ ಸುಮಾರು ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಈಗ ಬುಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 42 ಬುಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಫೀಸಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಆಫೀಸಿಗೂ ಏನೊಂದು ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಈ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ನ ರೋಲ್ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಮ CPT ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕೊಡುಗೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ.